Hi Elite! Hi! This is day second and we are going to go with advertisement session. Guys, as I told you prior, to come prepared with an object and have to be telling you people, have to be telling about one object and have to be advertising an object. So I hope you people are ready. Guys, you would be having 1 minute of time and to be placing your opinion. So simply come and place your opinion one by one and here we go.
Hello. Do you know, whenever I walk, as you know, I have an issue to walk, and whenever I try any shoes, it got damaged early because of my physical issue. Can you suggest me a good shoes? Why not? Raj, basically the thing is, which shoes you're wearing, it is for the normal person. But as we are a PWD students or with a physical with disability, so you must try the company of Tiger shoes. The Tiger shoes have authority or quality to, if you walk or you get somewhere, so it will defend you or it will save you. As you know that I'm also wearing a shoes which has helped me a lot, because whenever I walk I got stuck somewhere, so it will help me and I never fallen down. So you must be try it, and it is good company and it is affordable as well as. You must be there. Okay, so this shoes will help you to save yourself for your student who is not able to walk properly. Thank you.
This summer heat is too much. I feel so tired and no energy at all. What is this? Sattu. Sattu drink. One sip of Super Sattu, I feel so energetic. It's full of protein, keeps your body cool and gives you lots of energy. Super Sattu, super tasty and super hit. So please drink and buy Super Sattu. The scent that enters before you enter the room and stays long after you left. So that's not just a perfume, that's the fragrance and your reflection. Bella Vita. You can wear this in any occasional day or just an ordinary Tuesday on your first date and your last date maybe. And it is very lightweight to your skin and it is very long lasting and unforgettable in the air. So please buy this Bella Vita and it costs nothing. The bigger one cost 2,000 and the smaller one cost only 1,500. And you have the advantage in the smaller one that you have the 4 fragrance, which is Glam, Rose, Senorita and Date. So please buy this because Bella Vita doesn't follow the trend, it creates them. Bella Vita, a scent of you. Thank you.
Everybody wants good skin. Everybody wants to dash in the party. They want to look beautiful, gorgeous, handsome. But nobody wants to work towards it. Don't worry, we got you covered. Because you don't have to do a lot of things for your skin. It's just a simple 2-step work after you take a bath or face wash. We got you covered with our sunscreen and our moisturizer. We got this is a company from Dr. Sheets, and you all must be using some different creams. But let me tell you that you are using the wrong products for your skin. This product is for Indian skins. We all are Indian. We have to take care of ourselves with the right products, because other products can make your skin damaged, rashes and all of those things. But these things get you covered, and also it helps you in different things. It has anti-aging property, and also it can recover your face if you have dark patches, blackheads and all of the things. Buy this from our site. It has a combo package of 3 moisturizer, sunscreen and face wash for just 1,000 rupees. Buy it from Dr. Sheets. Thank you.
Oh my god, my phone just has 1%. It's gonna get dead. But it has all my photos, contacts, videos, my memories, my dreams, and everything. But wait, I've got a solution. That's Power Max Charger. It is not just a charger, it's a superhero for your phone because it can help to make your phone charger go from 0 to 100 in just minutes because it's fast, it's reliable, and it's affordable. You can get it in your near market at just affordable price. So go get yours now. Don't just worry whenever your phone gets in the situation where it is gonna dead. So use this and it will help you in just minutes because your time is precious and so is your battery. So get yours now. That's it.
Oh my god, it's too sunny outside. My skin is just like burning. Do you have the same problem? You know what? During summers, we always carry umbrella and all. But what about your skin? Your skin should be your first priority. Here, I have a cream that hydrates you every single time. That is Johnson Baby Cream. You know what is the benefit of Johnson Baby Cream? It moisturizes your skin and it contains olive oil, which not only makes your skin hydrated but make your skin feel so super smooth. And this is a recommendation of every mother that every single child should use Johnson Baby Cream. So if you want to buy it, if you want to make your skin super glowy, you had better purchase this Johnson Baby Cream from the official website Himalaya. Thank you.
Oof, what happened to my eyes? Why everything is looking too much blurred to me? Stop. Are you also suffering from these problems? So don't worry about it because my company, the Aditya's Group, manufactured to you the goggles which their lens help you to work in front of computer or help you to scroll reel 1 to 2 hours. Even as per the competition level of India, we also added one thing in that, the camera system. We all know that how much competition is available in the market. So you can easily capture your notes and cheat in your examination time. So wanna purchase it? Just DM to us and the product reached in your house as soon as possible. Bye-bye guys.
I want to be fit, but I don't have time. I want to do exercise, but the gym fees is just like Netflix membership. Every single time renewing, never ending. I want to lift heavy weight, but these weights are more heavier than my mindset, my dreams and my motivation. Once I was laying on my bed and I saw a reel in which a particular person is doing exercise with this. This is known as resistance band. And you can train your each and every single part of your body very easily with your own home. No machine, no equipment, no crowd, no one, just you and the total transformation. You know, the physiotherapist also use this to cure people and to give them strength. And the best part of this is you can make your exercise harder and you can also make your exercise easier just by using this thing. And now I just want to tell you one thing that if you don't use the machine, so it will get rusted. So that's it for right now. If you want to purchase it, so just purchase it. It is just of 150 rupees. So thank you.